Hello everyone. Up till now we have seen the general clinical repertory. Now we will go to the regional clinical repertory. And the first repertory in this is the homeopathic therapeutics on diarrhea, and the author is James B. Bell. The book is on diarrhea, dysentery, cholera morbus, cholera infantum, and all other evacuations of bowel contents. The remedies and their indication in part 1 and the repertory in part 2. So this book has two parts. The first part contains the remedies and their indications, and the second part is repertory part. First edition came in the year 1869, and great role was played by Dr. Mr. Teffel in this. Second edition came in the year 1881. It was edited by W. T. Laird. Contribution was given by Dr. T. M. Dellingham and Dr. Adolphe Lippe. Its third edition came in the year 1888, where four remedies were omitted, that is, cactus, euphorbia, opuntia, and castoreum, and five remedies were added: acetic acid, crotellus, angostura, carbolic acid, and valeriana. Its fourth and last edition came in the year 1896. Plan and construction of this book. This book has two parts. First is remedies and their indications, and second is repertory part. So the repertory part is based on doctrine of complete symptoms, doctrine of concomitants, and doctrine of evaluation of remedies. Five sections of this repertory are: first is pathological names. For example, in cholera, cholera infantum, cholera morbus, then diarrhea, then dysentery. Second part, second section is characteristic of stool. For example, bilious, bloody, copious, frothy, coffee ground like. Third section is conditions of the stool of the accompanying symptoms, that is aggravation and amelioration. Fourth is accompaniments of the evacuation, like before, during, and after stool. Middle accompaniments, that is mood and mind and mood, headache, etc. Now comes the typography of this repertory. So it has four typography: bold, italics, Roman, and Roman bracket, which are doubtful remedies. And marks are respectively 4, 3, 2, 1. Total number of medicines in this book is 141. Then the next repertory is complete repertory of the homeopathic mathematica on disease of eye. Author is Berridge. It was published in the year 1873 in London. He gave importance to the clinical symptoms apart from the symptoms obtained from the provings. So Berridge gave more importance to the clinical symptoms. The main basis of this repertory is Dr. Constantine Herring's Mathematica. Typography. There are five typography, but here these typography are not used to indicate the marks of the medicine. First is italic capitals, second is plain capitals, third is italics, fourth is Roman letters, and fifth is Roman bracketed, that is doubtful remedies. Plan and construction. It has two sections. First is symptoms and second is conditions, that is aggravation and amelioration. Total number of medicines in this book is 1711. Now we have seen two repertories. Now we will revise them. Regional repertory. So our first repertory was homeopathic therapeutics of diarrhea by James B. Bell. So it has two parts. First we will see the editions. It has four editions. Edition came in the year 1869. Second edition came in the year 1881. Third edition came in the year 1888. And fourth edition came in the year 1896. Now plan and construction. Plan and construction of this book. It has two parts. Part 1 contains remedies and their indications. And part 2 is the main repertory part. It is based on doctrine of complete symptom, doctrine of concomitant, and doctrine of evaluation of remedies. Then typographies are, that is gradations, bold, italic, Roman, and Roman bracket. And total number of medicines in this book is total medicines 141. That's all the important points of regional repertory, which is on diarrhea. Now the second regional repertory was on eye. Based on eye. Author Berridge. Published in the year 1973. 1873 in London. Here Berridge gave importance more to clinical symptoms. The main basis of this repertory is based on C. Hearings Metra Medica. Now typography, italic, capital, plain, capital, italic, Roman, and Roman bracket. Here this typography is not used for gradation of the remedies. Now plan and construction. It also has two sections. Section 1 has symptoms and section 2 is the aggravation and amelioration. Total number of remedies, total medicines in this are 1711. Thank you.